Are you crazy about cars, passionate about performance, or perhaps you're looking for honest and impartial car reviews? If so, why not fuel your car obsession by subscribing to my channel for content like this. I'd like to start, if I may, with practicality. Hello. The 500L has a look that echoes the ever popular city car, but it's not quite as pleasing to look at if you ask me, as it looks a little bit bloated, like a normal 500 that had too much to eat at Christmas.
Yep, there we go. There's flames. We have flames.
You've got Busta Rhymes constantly playing there.
In an Aston Martin.
Again, I think I'm the only person listening to Busta Rhymes in Aston Martin.
You're so uncouth.
Yeah, I'm so uncouth.
This week I have been joined by the brand new Jeep Compass, looking very resplendent in its bronze paintwork. I must admit, I'm not a big fan of this paintwork.
Very nice car control, very good car control.
Cool, we're getting a bit close to them,
That was very good.
Hey, I've stalled it!
Yay! I was waiting for that.
Damn it!
Now, he's probably going to cut that out.
Oh, twice!
Can we do 3 times? Oh.
So, sit down, buckle up, and enjoy the ride.